Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make wafer paper palm leaves that you can decorate your cakes with. On the second part of the tutorial, you're going to see how you can paint them. Firstly, I decided what size my wafer paper palm leaves are going to be. So I had an A4 wafer paper which I cut in half, and then each half I cut diagonally. However, one side was mirrored. This way I have 4 triangles, and 2 of each is going to make one big palm leaf. I spray a little bit of water on my paper towel, and then I place my wafer paper triangle on it to make it a little bit damp, and then I start folding my wafer paper. I fold, I flip it, and I fold back. I repeat the process till all wafer paper is folded. Now I repeat the same process with the second wafer paper triangle. Make sure your wafer paper triangles are facing the same direction. Sometimes wafer paper while folding breaks. Next I'm going to show you how to fix it. I'm using water and a fine brush, and I run with the water according the line where the wafer paper broke. And then I pinch the both sides together. Repeat the same steps everywhere I need. The same way I used to glue my 2 wafer paper triangles together. Make sure wafer paper is facing the same direction. Now I use a little bit of water at the bottom of my palm leaf to glue the wafer paper together, and I'm using tweezers to hold it together. When I finish gluing this side of the palm leaf, I flip it and I repeat the same process on the other side. I trim the edges with a sharp knife. You can make various palm leaves using this method. I am going to use few ways how I give the color to my wafer paper palm leaves. Here I have few shades of blue tints and luster dots that I just dust with the brush on my palm leaf. And then to the same tints and luster dust I add a little bit of water, making paint, which I splash with the help of the brush. Using the same paint I brush on some paint at the edge of the wafer paper. One more way to add color to your wafer paper is color the wafer paper before folding it. I mix my dust and tints with a little bit of water, and then using the brush I painted my wafer paper on both sides. I let the wafer paper to dry completely before I fold it. Once it's dry, I repeat the process, which means I spray a little bit of water on my paper towel, and then I just press in my wafer paper on it to make it a little bit damp. And then I fold my wafer paper to make a wafer paper palm leaf. If wafer paper tears, I fix it with a little bit of water, and then I continue making my palm leaf as before by adding a little bit of water at the base of the palm leaf and gluing it all together. At the back of your palm leaf, you can attach a skewer or popsicle stick. For that, you can use similar color melted chocolate. or a tiny piece of wafer paper in the same color and sandwiching the skewer in between with a little bit of water. There you have it, your wafer paper palm leaves. Thank you for watching.